Subtitling in Premiere has never been so easy, and now I'll show you how it's done. Hello and welcome to Clim. Now, Premiere has an automatic subtitles option. Yes, you heard that right, automatic, and it works pretty well, as long as the audio track is as clear as possible. To add subtitles, we just need to open the text tab. By default, I have it here, but if you don't see it, you can find it under the window menu and then select text. This screen will open up for us. If you have the subtitles in a text file, you can import it by clicking here. If not, what we're interested in is the option that says Transcribe Sequence. I'm like this for a long time, feeling tense. We click it and see several options. First, you need to choose the language of the audio you want to transcribe. Then, you can also select the track you want it to analyze. The last three options, activate them if your sequence needs it. Because I keep being like this. We click on Transcribe. We wait a bit and let it finish so we can see the text it has picked up. If there's any mistake, we can correct it by double-clicking on the text. Once we've corrected it, we click this button that says Create Subtitles. We can choose the format, the style, and a couple of other things. But the important thing in this window is to select Create a Sequence Transcription. EFTs. Once we have it, we click Create. Did I say that right? If we look closely, we can see that in the composition, right at the top, it has created a track labeled Subtitles. If what you want is to add subtitles in another language, I'm sorry to say that Premiere doesn't have that option yet, but what you can do is copy the text from a block by double-clicking it, translate it with an online translator, and then take the translation and paste it into the block you selected earlier. It's a bit more work, but you save yourself the trouble of having to place each sentence in its spot, since the sentences are organized by blocks. Right? Block, block, and that's it. And that's it. If you found this information useful, subscribe. It's free. Thank you very much. See you next time. Vinny. Hey, huh? That's it. I'm not gonna start.